In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Grammarly on Microsoft Teams step by step so you can write clearer messages, catch spelling mistakes, and improve your tone before you hit send. This is a super useful setup if you use Teams every day for work, school, or collaboration because it helps you sound more polished and professional without slowing you down. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is download the Grammarly desktop app. Once you've installed it, open the app on your computer. When Grammarly launches, click Login and enter your account credentials in the browser window that opens. This step connects Grammarly to your account so it can work across supported apps on your device. After you sign in, go ahead and open your Microsoft Teams desktop application. It's important to use the desktop app here because Grammarly works best when you're typing directly inside the Teams desktop experience. Now, once Teams is open, click into any chat box, channel reply thread, or meeting chat window and begin typing a message. As soon as Grammarly detects that your writing is, the floating green Grammarly widget bubble should automatically appear in the bottom right corner of your text entry box. If you don't see it right away, just keep typing for a moment and it should show up. This bubble is your quick access point for Grammarly's suggestions. You can hover over it or click it to open the available options. From there, Grammarly can help you accept spelling corrections, rewrite phrases, change the tone of your message, and even use generative AI features to improve what you've written. If you're sending a message to a teammate, manager, or client, this is especially helpful because it can make your writing sound more confident, clear, and natural. For example, if your message sounds too blunt, Grammarly may suggest a softer tone. If you've got a typo, it can quickly flag the issue so you can fix it before sending. And if you want to speed things up, the AI features can help you rephrase a sentence in just a couple of clicks. The best part is that you don't have to switch between apps or copy and paste your text into another editor. You can stay right inside Teams and make improvements as you type. That makes the whole process much faster and smoother, especially when you're in the middle of a busy workday. So to recap, download the Grammarly desktop app, log in through the browser window, open Microsoft Teams, start typing in a chat or reply box, and then use the green Grammarly widget to review and enhance your message. It's a simple setup, but it can make a big difference in how your messages come across. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.